IoT do not have any geographic boundaries. It only understands great performance, excellent aesthetics, and a machine or a product which can give you high performance and productivity. Vibrasion is a Pune-based company which is offering vibratory feeders, conveying solution for the global food industry. I am at Gulf Food Manufacturing 2024, where Vibrasion is offering its wide range of solutions to the Middle East market.
We started this company, we means like I started this company. I especially say we means because it's not me, it's my team. So that's why it's a we. So and that's why our starting is also we. So when we started this company in 2017, and we started with the small feeders, electromagnetic feeders. Slowly, as the demands of our product has started increasing into the market, we went into customizations and all that. And today we are one of the leading manufacturers for vibrating equipments in India. Also, we have been one of the good vendor, or you said a global vendor for PepsiCo's, Haldiram, and this kind of Balaji wafers. Any snacks industry where you see this, our conveying systems has been now one of the part of the industry now. We were started with a small feeder which was only 200 kg per hour capacity. Today we can give up to 20 tons per hour. That's the capacity we can give. Today, when we started, we were more into OEM suppliers, where OEM used to buy our equipment and they used to use into their machine and all that. But today we are into a distribution system, what you can see in my behind. This is a system where usually these kind of systems used to come only from Europe or America kind of thing. Now the time has changed, it has come to India. Now we have manufacturing this kind of highly technology product in India, which gives a very immense support to Indian manufacturers, Indian namkeen industries and other industries, wherein they don't have to depend every time into the European people. Where we come in picture, and now we are making this kind of equipment. Now we are also started giving some machineries for French fries industry, which you can see in these videos, where now we are giving a distribution system, spreaders, these kind of machines where only the Europeans or American used to be there. Now we are there, as in India, we are there for catering the Indian companies and all. Now, yes, of course, when we started doing in India, we are getting opportunity from various part of the countries. People are knowing us. So Middle East also is one of the market where confectionery, snacks is one of the biggest consumers for this kind of product. And of course, hygiene is one of the part. We are focusing on the hygiene. It's just not the word, but it has a very good meaning behind that. I mean, our product, when we manufacture, we take care that any person who's opening a packet, it should not have any kind of microbiology thing, because this is the product which is transporting that material from one place to another place, and it should be hygiene, it should convey it in a very proper way, so that any microbiology part should not come into your packet. So we believe whatever you eat has to go in a very good way to your stomach. When you see a Rolls Royce, you understand, okay, what that will mean and what is been manufactured. Similarly, when you see our product, seeing is not just a believing, using is also believing. We also take care in our packaging also. When you see our packaging, the moment you see the packaging, you itself understand this is an international quality of machine. And that gives a first impression. And there's a say that first impression is the last impression. And we believe in that. To get to this level, it took a lot of efforts, a lot of processes to be involved. We have some laser welding machines which make sure that the welding quality is very similar and consistent. That's where some machines integration, automation on the machine is required at your shop floor, which we have in our facility. That's actually help us to bring this machine into this kind of aesthetic. It's not just the aesthetic, we also believe in the performance of the product. When first impression, of course, the aesthetic is correct. But when you start a machine, you need to understand like, okay, the machine is running as per your requirement, or it is updating to you to what is your requirement.
We, as a brand Vibrasion, are supplying electromagnetic conveyors and feeders to various industries globally. We started our journey in 2017, a small step I would say, And definitely right now we have catered 1,000 plus solutions to the market. We entered into the projects market last 2 years back itself, and successfully we have seen the transition from being an Indian organization to being a global organization. Yes, we have successfully supplied our equipments to Kenya, even to Thailand and Malaysia market, and even to a Switzerland based company also. So we are happy to be a partner in their growth also over here. In Gulf food manufacturing, definitely we were not anticipating this much good response initially, but the customers visiting our stall were surprised to see the quality of the equipments that we have displayed over here, and that too with an optimized cost effective solution to them.